Hello students, welcome to JLD Academy. In today's English language lesson, we'll be studying listening comprehension. Our topic is listening to grasp the main point in a speech or conversation. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever been in class when the teacher explained something, but later you realized you did not understand the instruction? That happens when we hear words but do not truly listen. Listening is one of the most important skills for students, professionals, leaders, journalists, doctors, and lawyers. Today, you will learn how to listen carefully and identify the main ideas in spoken communication. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to listen attentively to a speech or talk, identify the main idea, identify keywords, identify supporting points. Let us begin by knowing what listening comprehension is all about. Listening comprehension simply means the ability to listen carefully and understand spoken information. In listening exercises, your goal is not to remember every word. Your goal is to identify the most important message. This is called the main idea. What does understanding the main idea simply means? The main idea is the central message the speaker wants you to understand. For example, listening to this short speech. Drug abuse is becoming a serious problem among young people. Many students damage their health and future because of drug addiction. Governments and communities must work together to stop this problem. Now ask yourself, what is the speaker mainly talking about? The answer is drug abuse is a serious problem among young people. That is the main idea. The other sentences only support the main idea. What is supporting points? Supporting points explain or add more information about the main idea. From the speech we just heard, main idea is drug abuse is a serious problem among young people. Why the supporting points include it damages health, it destroys students' future, governments must act. When answering examination questions, always separate main idea from supporting details. What is keywords in listening? Another way to identify the main idea is to listen for keywords. Keywords are important words repeated by the speaker. Example speech is illegal mining is destroying our rivers. Illegal mining pollutes water and damages farmland. The keywords include illegal mining, rivers, pollution. These words help us understand the main topic. Types of listening material. In your examination, you may listen to different types of spoken material. This includes speeches, a formal talk given to an audience. For example, a speech about drug abuse prevention. The second one is conversation, a discussion between two or more people. Example, two friends discussing environmental pollution. The third one is lectures, a talk given by a teacher or expert to explain a topic. Example, a lecture on climate change. The fourth one is radio broadcast. Information delivered through radio. For example, a public health announcement about malaria prevention. We also discuss about listening strategy, which is very important for exams. To succeed in listening comprehension, you have to follow these steps. Step 1, you have to listen carefully by focusing on the speaker and avoiding distraction. Step 2, identify the topic. You have to ask yourself, what is the speaker talking about? Step 3, listen for repeated words. Repeated words often show the main idea. Step 4, identify key sentences. The first or last sentence may contain the main message. We'll also look into evaluation practice for YX style. Now let's practice. Listen to this short passage. Plastic waste is becoming a major environmental problem in African cities. Many people throw plastic bottles into rivers and streets. Governments must encourage recycling to reduce pollution. Let us answer the questions together. Question 1. State the main points of the speech. Step 1. Identify the topic. The speech talks about plastic waste. Step 2. Identify the central message. The main point is plastic waste is a major environmental problem. Are you getting it? Question 2. Mention 2 supporting points. Look for explanation given by the speaker. Supporting points include people throw plastic into rivers. Governments should encourage recycling. Question 3. Identify 2 keywords. The two keywords include plastic, pollution, recycling. Any two are correct. Why listening skills are important? Listening is an essential skill in many professions. Journalists listen carefully during interviews. Doctors listen to patients to understand symptoms. Lawyers listen to evidence in court. Leaders listen to citizens' concern. Without good listening skill, communication becomes weak. Our lesson summary. Today we've learned the meaning of listening comprehension, how to identify the main ideas, how to recognize supporting points, how to identify keywords. These skills will help you perform better in WAEC examination and real-life communication. Assignment. Listen to a radio program or short speech today. Write a short report containing the main idea, 3 supporting points, 5 keywords. You have to submit your assignment through the class platform. Remember, students, good listeners becomes a great listener and great leader. Practice listening carefully every day. Thank you for learning with JLD Academy. See you in our lesson.